Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you guys with me to HULIKERE Tunnel, which is situated in Mandya district. I recently heard that Mandya has some of the best green lands around because of farming and stuff like that. So I thought of going to HULIKERE Tunnel entrance, which is situated in the outskirts of Mandya district on the way to Hassan Road from Mandya. So this time I'm riding all alone from Bengaluru to HULIKERE Tunnel, which is approximately like 100 kilometers, and hopefully this will gonna be my best rides in my history. Yeah, before wasting time, let's get fueled up and head out.
Normal 520 28 So I am in typical Mandya right now. This is a Hassan Road. Best part of having bike is you can go anywhere. The green is so beautiful now. I honestly don't know where I am going, but it keeps going. Yeah. Loved it, absolutely loved it.
So guys, I just entered the village, I mean outskirts of Mandya. Look at this beautiful landscape over here, man. It's fully filled with the different shades of green and see, in this situation, visit with your bike and feel the breeze and look into the nature. See how beautiful it is, man. I just love to be silent for a while. Totally worth it, man. Let's see in the middle if I see something, I'll just stop and make a vlog. Just like to sit over here for a while. So guys, I made it to the HULIKERE tunnel entrance over here, and there is nobody here, and I just parked my bike over here, and I'll get down and check as to what's there. So guys, it's so peaceful over here. Nobody's here. It's so calm, silent. All you can hear is the water sound behind me. It's so peaceful, man. Wow. So this is the HULIKERE tunnel. So this is the only tunnel from which water runs out. I don't know the history of this tunnel, but I'll make sure I'll put the history of this tunnel in the later part of the video. So I see some beautiful birds around here, and I'll get some good photos of them and spend some time and leave. So guys, got some amazing photos, and you know, when I woke up early in the morning, I was thinking just to see one entrance of a tunnel. I need to travel 100 kilometers. Is it worth it? It's totally worth it. All I can say is wow. Everywhere you see there is full of green. See, green, 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 green. I love to be in such climate, and today the climate is so good, man. It's so cool and calm. All the 100 kilometers from Bangalore, totally worth it. We should definitely come over here and just spend some peaceful time over here and go back. Wow. So guys, currently I am planning to go to Karighatta, somewhere near Srirangpatna, and I'll be going there. It's hardly 27 kilometers from here, and a lot of reviews says it's a beautiful scenery place. So I'm thinking to capture some landscape photos over there. Let's see how the location is there, and I'll go there. So guys, I'm at foothills of Karighatta, and my action cam died. So I'm not able to record some footage of this road, and I am on some bridge, and check this out. So guys, don't feel bad. This is the footage I can give. Okay guys, done for now. So I'll be returning back home, and yeah, the sun showed up. I'll reach home and talk about few details about the tunnel which I showed you morning, and yeah, I'll just go back.
So yes guys, I'm done with my ride, and it was a very beautiful experience, and I enjoyed a lot personally, and I love the way the fields are around, and as promised, I'll tell you some of the facts about the tunnel which I visited in the morning. So firstly, the tunnel is about 2.8 kilometers. Basically the tunnel was built after building the KRS dam by Sir M. Vishweswaraya. This is the only tunnel from which water enters and exits for approximately 2.8 kilometers. I didn't get enough information about this tunnel, but yeah, that's it. Tunnel was just built to supply enough water to the HULIKERE village so that the water can be used for irrigation. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. Follow me on Instagram at srinidhiraju.as photography to see all my photographies which I do when I go out there like this. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon. I'll be uploading new video every Monday at 6 p.m. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.